We're going to explain how to use JavaScript to simulate keyboard inputs. This is useful for automating tasks, testing web applications, or creating interactive games. The core method involves using the keyboard event constructor and dispatching the event to a specific element on the page. Here's how we can break it down. 1. Understanding keyboard event. The keyboard event constructor allows us to create a simulated keyboard event. It takes several arguments, but the most crucial are key, the key pressed, e.g. A, enter, space, code, the key code, e.g. key A, enter, and location, the location of the key on the keyboard, often 0 for standard keys. For simple cases, you often only need the key parameter. 2. Creating the event. We create a new keyboard event instance. For example, to simulate pressing the A key, we'd use let event equals new keyboard, event key down, find key, A, code, key A, location, 0 to 0. The key down event type signifies a key press. Could also use key up to simulate releasing a key. 3. Dispatching the event. After creating the event, we need to dispatch it to a target element. This element is where the simulated key press should take effect. Let's say we have an input field with the ID myInput. We can dispatch the event using the dispatch event method, document.getElementById myInput. Dispatch event. This line tells the browser to treat the event as if a real key press happened on that input field. 4. Simulating multiple keys. For more complex sequences, you can create multiple keyboard event objects and dispatch them one after another. For example, to type hello, you'd create events for H, E, L, L, O, and dispatch each one sequentially, perhaps with a small delay in between to make it more realistic. Consider using setTimeout to add these delays. 5. Handling special keys. Special keys like Enter, Tab, or arrow keys can also be simulated. Just use the appropriate key names, e.g., Enter, Tab, arrow up, within the keyboard event constructor. 6. Important considerations. Remember that simulating keyboard inputs might not work perfectly across all browsers and websites due to variations in how they handle events. Testing thoroughly across different platforms is essential. Also, be aware of potential security implications. Indiscriminate use of this technique could be misused. 7. Example code. Snippet. A quick example, input type text ID myInput, and then JavaScript code, let input field equals document, get element by ID myInput. Let event as new keyboard event key down, key H, code, keych. Input field dot dispatch. Event equals new keyboard, event key up, key H, code, keych. Input field dot dispatch event. This simulates pressing and releasing the H key. Extend this to handle more keys to type complete words or sentences. Always consider appropriate error handling and user experience when using such techniques. Remember to add more events for each character and a delay if necessary for a better and more realistic simulation.